What's up, everyone? Welcome to another raw experiment. In this video, I tried Faceless AI content creation for a full 30 days. I set up a new YouTube channel, used only AI tools to create videos, and posted consistently. No face, no personal appearance, just AI voice, stock footage, and AI-generated visuals. Today I'm showing you the complete results, how much I earned, how much time it took, what worked, what failed, and whether this is actually a good side hustle or business model in 2026. This experiment was eye-opening. I wanted to test if someone with zero video editing experience could build a profitable faceless channel using only AI in 2026. Let's go through everything step by step. Day 17. Setup Phase 1. Chose the niche, luxury motivation and success stories. I created the channel, designed a simple banner and logo using Canva, and set up all the tools. The main tools I used were 11 Labs for voiceover, CapCut for editing, Midjourney for custom images, and Pexels for stock footage. The first week was all about learning the workflow. I spent around 4 to 5 hours per video in the beginning. Day 8 to 15. First videos and momentum. I posted 3 videos per week. The first videos were basic top 10 lists and motivational compilations. The AI voice was good but not perfect. Thumbnails were created with AI. By the end of week 2, I had a few hundred views and my first $12 from AdSense. Retention was decent, but I realized I needed better hooks in the first 10 seconds. Day 16 to 23. Optimization phase. I started studying my analytics. Videos with strong storytelling performed much better. I improved the script writing using Claude AI and added more emotional voice tones in 11 Labs. I also started making shorts from long videos for better reach. This week I earned $87. Day 24-30. Final push. By now the workflow was smooth. I could create a full 12-15 minute video in under 2 hours. Total earnings in 30 days reached $378 from AdSense and a few affiliate links. The channel gained around 850 subscribers. Final 30-day results. Total videos uploaded, 12 long-form plus 18 shorts. Total watch hours, 1240. Total revenue, $378. Total time invested, approximately 65 hours. Cost, under $50, mostly for premium AI credits. What worked well? AI tools saved huge time. Luxury motivation niche has good CPM. Shorts helped grow the main channel. Once the system was built, creating content became faster. What didn't work? Early videos had low retention. AI voice still sounded slightly robotic in some parts. Growing subscribers was slower than expected. Competition in motivation niche is high. My honest verdict on faceless AI content creation in 2026. It is a viable business model, but it is not passive in the beginning. You need to put in consistent effort for the first 3 to 6 months. After that, it can become semi-passive. The biggest advantage is you can run multiple channels once you master the process. Complete step-by-step guide to start your own. Choose a high CPM niche: finance, motivation, tech, health. Set up professional channel. Master 3-4 AI tools. Create a content calendar. Focus heavily on the first 15 seconds of every video. Post consistently for minimum 90 days. Analyze and improve every week. Pro tips for 2026. Use trending audio in shorts. Create series so viewers come back. Build an email list early. Outsource editing once you can afford it. This experiment proved that faceless AI content creation is still one of the best opportunities if you are willing to put in the work. Many people are making full-time income with 2 to 3 channels. Now I want to hear from you. Would you start a faceless AI channel? Which niche would you choose? Drop your answers in the comments. If you want me to do a full tutorial on any specific tool or niche, let me know. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm doing more real 30-day experiments every week. Thank you for watching. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.